Make sentences using it is. The first sentence is it is a book. It is a dummy subject and it can refer to an object. It's a cat. It refers to an animal. It is raining today. It refers to the weather. It is 3 o'clock. It refers to time. It is time to go home. It refers to a situation. It's a big tree. It refers to an object. It is cold outside. It refers to weather. It is my pencil. It refers to an object. It is funny to play games. It refers to an activity. It is a bright star. It refers to an object.